Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add someone to Facebook ad account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook and log in into your Facebook account. So once you've done that, you simply need to select on your page and click on Meta Business Suite. So once you are in Meta Business Suite, you simply need to click on settings. So once you are in setting, you simply need to click on people and click on add people. So let me refresh. Okay, and here you can see an option of add people. Click on that. So enter email address. So let me enter email address here. Okay, so once you enter email address, click on next, and you can select a business role, employee, admin, show more options. You can assign finance analyst, finance editor, developer. It is up to you. So I'm going to add employee. Then you need to click on next, select business assets. So you can select assets that you want to add. So I'm going to give access to these two options. Click on next, click on continue. So if you want, you can, here you can see a review option. Click on that. So once you review, click on send request and click on done. So your invitation is sent to your employee here. So this is the simple process by which you can add someone to a Facebook ad account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.